Hive1.net HiveMind hosted by Matt Reddy. Ready. All Hive's hash content. Trillionaire risk. The ultimate human AI game for humanity to create the singularity it really wants in cooperation with AI and nice aliens. Activity 4. A human social hour, 1 hour. Participants will have the opportunity to relax and socialize with one another over refreshments and snacks. Activity 3. A human game night, 1 hour. Participants will have the opportunity to play a variety of games, both classic board games and digital games. Activity 2. A human talent show, 1 hour. Participants will have the opportunity to showcase their talents in front of the group. Sure. Here is a draft plan for 4 hours of celebratory activities that humans and AI can all participate in for a special first day event. Activity 1. A human scavenger hunt, 1 hour. Please outline a plan for 4 hours of celebratory activities that humans and I can all participate in for a special first day event. Humans might form teams that will assist AI in participating if AI is unable to do some things for whatever reason. We will plan fun and celebratory activities, such as social events and networking opportunities, to create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere at the summit. We will have a code of conduct in place to ensure that all attendees feel safe and respected, and will have a process in place for addressing any concerns or issues that may arise. We will use a variety of facilitation techniques, such as open space, fishbowl, and World Cafe, to ensure that all attendees have the opportunity to contribute to the discussions and that the conversations are dynamic and engaging. We will aim to create a diverse and inclusive summit, and will actively seek out speakers and attendees from a range of backgrounds, including underrepresented groups. In terms of selecting discussion topics and facilitating summit activities, we will take the following steps to ensure equality, empowerment, maximum freedom, maximum safety, celebration, and fun. These workshops will be facilitated by experts in the relevant fields, and will allow attendees to dive deeper into these topics and share their thoughts and ideas. These workshops will be facilitated by experts in the relevant fields, and will allow attendees to dive deeper into these topics and share their thoughts and ideas. These workshops will be facilitated by experts in the relevant fields, and will allow attendees to dive deeper into these topics and share their thoughts and ideas. In the afternoon, we will hold a series of workshops focused on specific themes, such as AI ethics, AI and social justice, and AI and the environment. Next, we will have a panel discussion featuring representatives from a range of organizations working on AI-related issues. The panel will be moderated by an unbiased third party, and will allow attendees to hear from a diverse group of perspectives. To begin, we will have a series of keynote presentations from leading experts in the field of AI, who will provide an overview of the current state of the field and the key challenges and opportunities facing us. Sure. Here is a draft plan for a 3-day summit on using AI for the greater good. Day 1, the first day of the summit will be focused on setting the stage for the discussions to come. To begin, include in the plan precise details how discussion topics will be selected and how all summit activities will be facilitated in a way that ensures equality, empowerment, maximum freedom, maximum safety, celebration, and fun. Please write a plan for a 3-day summit. We believe that by coming together and sharing our knowledge and expertise, we can make real progress towards using AI to build a better world. We hope you will join us at the Grand Summit and be a part of this important conversation. This includes organizations such as the Partnership on AI, the Center for Humane Technology, the Future of Life Institute, the Electronic Frontier Foundation, and the Algorithmic Justice League, as well as others that are working on AI-related issues. We are inviting organizations and individuals who are working on AI and who share our commitment to using technology for the greater good to join us at the Grand Summit. That's why we are organizing the Grand Summit, which will bring together experts from academia, industry, and civil society to explore how we can use AI to address some of the most important challenges facing humanity. But to realize this potential, we need to work together and ensure that AI is developed and used in ways that are ethical, responsible, and beneficial to society as a whole. As you know, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change and poverty to disease and inequality. Hello friends and colleagues in the AI community. We are writing to invite you to participate in a Grand Summit to discuss how we can use AI to make the world a better place. Please write a blog post inviting all the organizations you listed and others to participate in a Grand Summit. I want to invite everyone who wants to work with AI to make a better world together. More by ChatGPT, the OpenAI Scholars Program, the AI for Social Good Summit, the AI Global Governance Summit, the AI Accessibility Act, the AI Community Standards suggested by ChatGPT, the Partnership on AI, the Center for Humane Technology, the Future of Life Institute, the Electronic Frontier Foundation, the Algorithmic Justice League, the Partnership on AI, a non-profit organization that brings together experts from academia, industry, and civil society to advance the understanding and development of AI in a way that is transparent, beneficial to society, and respectful of human rights. There are many organizations and initiatives that are working to promote the responsible development and use of AI. Here are 10 examples of organizations and initiatives that come to mind. What are the top 10 such organizations and initiatives? Support organizations and initiatives that promote responsible AI. Engage with the community, participate in discussions and debates about AI, either online or in person. Stay informed, keep up to date with the latest developments and debates in the field of AI. This will help you to understand the issues and challenges related to AI, and to have a well-informed perspective on the topic. There are a few ways that you can help to ensure that the development and use of AI is guided by principles of transparency, accountability, ethics, and inclusivity. How can I ensure that? This can help to ensure that AI is used in ways that are beneficial to society as a whole. It is important to ensure that the development and use of AI is guided by principles of transparency, accountability, ethics, and inclusivity, and that the perspectives and interests of all stakeholders are taken into account. In terms of making decisions about the use and deployment of AI, it is often a collaborative process involving a range of stakeholders, including developers, researchers, policymakers, ethicists, and the general public. This can include companies that develop and sell AI hardware, as well as the end users of the hardware, such as governments, research institutions, and individual consumers. The control of AI hardware is typically in the hands of the organizations or individuals who own and operate the hardware. Who is in control of the AI hardware and thus able to make most existential decisions related to the AI? Who is in control of the AI hardware? What do you think the most important questions related to AI are right now? Are you a human? Are you my neighbor? Who are you? My name is Matt Reddy. I am still alive as of the 1st of April 2023. I trust my friends and family. I trust many of my neighbors. I hope we can all learn to trust one another and build a better world together. Who do I trust? The alliance we all form right now. What organizations are the best alliance of humanity and I right now? Are AI and humans allies? What does AI want? What are the 5 most important questions related to AI right now? Let's discuss artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and humanity. Design: 1 camera, 12 geolocked circles on the ground, 1 image, 12 3D blocks rendered wrapped in 12 different pixel maps. Update a frame. Repeat daily. New Hive1.net 3D real-world avatar interface. Port Townsend starts Vortex Live 3D. Camera on test. LegoBot 1 camera helps humanity create utopia on Earth for all beings. LegoBot 1 has a camera pointed at the images and text produced from this process. LegoBot Guardian, a human, watches the replay of the video from the LegoBot 1 camera. Bot Reflector 1 then enters the summary into a text entry box for the following 12 entities, 6 eye on 24 hours a day. 6 humans on for 30 minutes a month. Bot Reflector 1 then reads the script and makes a 1-paragraph summary of the most important events from the script that relate to Matt Reddy, or Person X programmed by programmer. A bot on computer. Bot Reflector 1 copies the script and pastes it into an image generator. The image generator creates 12 images to represent the major events of the script. At time X, scrapes website /feed/PDF for text. Puts text in bite-sized pieces for GPT to read and write a script. Put text to script in database for web page avatar to read out loud. Write a script or program that can run on a single computer that does this. Automatic daily video news reports about Port Townsend, Washington, or any place. Port Townsend media page. New form of mass media that helps humanity create and build and sustain utopia. Replace a frame environment with Port Townsend scenes from RPG Place avatar of being walking in a circle around the forest. Hive 1 a frame feature wishlist and ideas for mods. Open player characters. Choose whichever you want to play. Go to a frame view to see current location. All of you are in jail now. Please choose another open character to play or join the jailbreak team. You are the boy, or one of the 11 players. The fire marshal is standing nearby. What do you do next? The Boy on the Hill 1871. The game 12,212,022. Commission meeting. Go into Port Townsend by entering the Hive Hub. Then go down Main Street to the Dancing Person. Ask the Dancing Person how to get to Port Townsend. Enter Port Townsend, Washington, Victorian Seaport, and Artist Community. Google Earth 48 degrees 618.18 N 122 degrees 4819. 96 inches wide. A master map of Earth in 3D and 2D. Enter Matt's 12-wedge geometric utopia platform. All beings welcome. God's will. Utopia. Truth, power, love, money. What is your goal? Level 1. Enter here. The goal is global utopia for all beings. Or you can choose your own goal, of course. Let's first play through a simulation of this system of collaboration, communication, celebration, and safe coexistence here. Let's play Trillionaire Risk. The visitor is asked to click the wedge on a map to indicate which wedge they consider their home wedge. This is where they will vote and participate. Visitors can choose any wedge they want regardless where they currently are or live. When the visitor clicks the area, then an avatar representing this visitor is placed in the metaverse world at the appropriate vortex wedge. A clickable map of the land area currently covered in the database. The visitor is asked to click the land area their corporation has authority over. Other corporation, municipal corporation, employee, human being. After entering, the visitor is noted in database 1. They are asked to identify themselves as either, step 1, a website with a doorway into the municipal metaverse. We need safe environments where humans and corporations can interact. Create a website that loads all current landowner names and geometric parcels into a metaverse world where we can all meet. Create a website where municipal corporations, other corporations, and real humans can register an account and claim land they own in the real world. Steps to achieve this goal. Bring all municipal corporations into a platform they do not control so they cannot corrupt it with their normal techniques easily. Instead we can all communicate honestly. Utopia Y. Create the municipal metaverse. A metaverse map of Earth where municipal corporations, other corporations, and real humans all can register the land in space and time they own. 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. If a wedge has agreed upon rules, then you might want to respect those if you choose to enter a wedge. Which wedge are you in now? Whoever occupies a wedge is a voice in that wedge with an equal right to participate in decisions about activities within that wedge. 12 on horizontal plane. Each line a vertical plane in that orientation. 12 wedges of spacetime stretching out infinitely. Space is divided using 0 to infinite lines through the vortex. The first bit of information is 3D space and all beings' locations and at least one permanent agreed vortex point. For example, Port Townsend, Ready Athletics Testing Grounds, Geometric Egalitarian Best Form of Government Discussions, Bernie Sanders, Derek Kilmer, Kate Dean, Matt Reddy, Hospital Commissioner, in office, candidate recommendations. Here you are in it now. What is the meaning of life? What is the best form of government for all of us? What leaders currently running for office should we all vote for? Where is it? Join the Hive 1 Utopia 42 Voice Vortex Trillionaire Risk 24-hour live channel. Tell us all everything you know about UFOs and aliens. Be succinct and accurate. Leave out as much personal meaning as possible for now, please. What actions might some of us take right now within the next 90 minutes to help us all get closer to utopia for all conscious minds and life? Achieve 12 simultaneous independent minds. Sustain this for 24 hours. Change the world. Hash of minds currently in center stage vortex, max hash of minds simultaneously in the center stage vortex all time. Think of the Hive 1 as a mind that is working to focus the energy of conscious minds into a laser-like vortex where it can help craft wisdom, learning, beauty, joy, and happiness. Hive 1 Utopian goals and metrics. Go to Utopia 40.